Rosa Flora started in 1978. It was mainly a tea rose grower, but as market conditions changed, we moved from tea roses into other products like yerba. We have approximately 17 trucks in our fleet and a few more trucks just for local deliveries. And we have a radius of 12-hour delivery from our location here to Chicago, New York, Boston, Quebec, everywhere. Before we had TELUS, we relied solely on telephone communication. Unfortunately, if the phone was off or the driver was asleep, we would not be able to communicate with them, and we didn't know where they were or what was the status. With TELUS Fleet Tracker, we're able to see where they've been. We can see where our trucks are going, what they're doing, how fast they're going. It's very important that we know how we can analyze these routes and make them more efficient so we can get to our customer's door quicker. The TELUS network is very consistent. I can go through the entire United States and Canada and not have any gaps at all along the network, which is great not only for communication but also for tracking our trucks. So some of the savings we've seen at Rosa Flora is definitely in fuel costs. We're able to see our routes, analyze them, and adjust them as necessary. We can see if we take an exit too soon, and we can talk to the driver about the next day. And we can also look at our IFTA forms, so we can see exactly how much time we spent on the roads, as well as idle time. And we can use that for a tax benefit later on in the future, which is a huge savings for us. We have definitely seen an increase in customer satisfaction. The reason being is we're able to give them clear answers, better information, and we are able to get to their customers' locations quicker and on time. And for fresh cut flowers, it's the most important thing. And in some cases, we even send them alerts as to when the truck arrives at their location because of the TELUS Fleet Tracker system. So they know exactly, they get an email, yep, my product will arrive at this and this location at this time. I would definitely recommend TELUS Fleet Tracker to any business that is running fresh cut flowers or anything that needs to get to their customer on time. It's great for any business that has their own fleet and they need to make the right business decisions to make their business successful.